Hello,
Hello,
everybody.
everybody.
So
This
this
is
is
Sport
Sport
App.
App.
Uh,
Uh,
if we
if we
go
go
here, I
here,
got
I
a
got a
quick
quick
presentation
presentation
to
to
present
present
it
it
and
and
describe
describe
what
what
are
are
some
some
of
of
the
the
main
main
features that
features
we
that we
had in
had
our
in our
idea.
idea.
So
So
Bootstrap,
Bootstrap,
right?
right?
It's
It's
mainly
mainly
done to
done to
skip the
skip the
wait
wait
list
list
and
and
swap your
swap your
weight
weight
into the
into the
classes you
classes you
need.
need.
We
We
know
know
that
that
USF
USF
registration
registration
can be
can
a
be a
little
little
overwhelming
overwhelming
sometimes,
sometimes,
and
and
classes
classes
get
get
full
full
really
really
quickly.
quickly.
So
So
we
we
thought
thought
about an
about an
app
app
that
that
lets
lets
you
you
make a
make a
swap
swap
with
with
another
another
one.
one.
I'll
I'll
explain.
explain.
And
And
I'll
I'll
explain
explain
here
here
further.
further.
So
So
the
the
registration
registration
problem,
problem,
right?
right?
I'll
I'll
just
just
talk
talk
about
about
every
every
semester,
semester,
same
same
story.
story,
Classes
classes
fill up
fill
in
up in
minutes,
minutes,
waitlists
waitlists
are
are
endless,
endless,
your
your
schedule
schedule
falls
falls
apart,
apart,
gradation
gradation
gets
gets
delayed,
delayed,
right?
right?
Exactly. So
So
let's
let's
say,
say,
for
for
example,
example,
you
you
need
need
calculus
calculus
2 and
two and
someone
someone
else
else
needs
needs
organic
organic
chemistry,
chemistry,
right?
right?
And
And
you, why
why
not
not
swap,
swap,
right?
right?
Let's
Let's
say
say
this
this
person who
person
has
who has
calculus
calculus
2
two
has
a
wants
wants
a
a
spot
spot
on
on
organic
organic
chemistry,
chemistry,
right?
right?
And
And
the
the
other
other
person
person
on
on
organic
organic
chemistry,
chemistry,
right?
right?
One
One
that's on
that's on
organic
organic
chemistry
chemistry
wants
wants
a
a
spot
spot
on
on
calculus
calculus
2,
two,
right?
right?
So
So
let's say
let's say
both
both
are
are
willing
willing
to
to
switch
switch
the to
to
give
give
up
up
those
those
spaces,
spaces,
right,
right,
in
in
their
their
classes,
classes,
and they
and they
can
can
just
just
swap
swap
it,
it,
right?
right?
We
We
see
see
this
this
being
being
done
done
informally in
informally in
social
social
media,
media,
so we
so we
wanted
wanted
to
to
give an
give an
environment
environment
to
to
actually
actually
do
do
it
it
there,
there
and more
more
formally and
formally and
optimize the
optimize the
process
process
so
so
we
we
can
can
go
go
with
with
the
the
next one.
next one.
So,
So,
right,
right,
we
we
just
just
talked
talked
about
about
this.
this.
Messages
Messages
were
were
in
in
group,
group,
meaning
meaning
Reddit,
Reddit,
Instagram,
Instagram,
running
running
60%
60%
of
of the
verification,
verification,
reliable
reliable
connections,
connections,
random
random
strangers.
strangers. Organization,
An
an
organization
organization
hard to
hard to
search,
search,
impossible
impossible
to
to
track,
track,
easy
easy
to
to
admit.
admit.
So
So
intro
intro
some
some
bullshit.
bullshit.
So
So
this
this
is
is
what
what
we
we
do.
do.
So
So
organized
organized
listings,
listings,
it's a
it's a
dedicated
dedicated
platform.
platform.
I
I
just
just
talked
talked
about
about
this.
this.
Real
Real
stuff
stuff
verified
verified
in the
in the
case of
case of
actually
actually
implementing
implementing
it
it
in
in
the
the
future,
future,
and it
and it
has
has
direct
direct
chat,
chat,
right?
right?
So
So
how it
how it
works,
works,
you
you
post your
post your
swap
swap
request,
request,
list
list
what you
what you
have
have
and
and
what you
what you
need.
need.
So
So
let's
let's
say
say
you
you
want
want
to
to
trade
trade
Cog
Cog
2,
2,
right?
right?
In
In
MWF,
MWF,
which is
which is
like the
like the
name of
name
the
of the
building,
building,
right?
right?
And
And
at
at
10
10
a.m.,
a.m.,
right?
right?
And then
And
you
then you
want
want
organic
organic
chemistry,
chemistry, TR
to
to
that's
that's
teach at
teach at
2 p.m.
2 p.m.
So
So
you
you
find your
find your
match,
match,
you
you
connect and
connect and
coordinate with
coordinate
the
with the
person,
person,
and
and
then
then
you
you
swap.
swap.
You
You
both
both
agree
agree
to
to
actually
actually
access
access
the
the
USF
USF
registrar
registrar
system
system
and
and
drop the
drop the
class
class
and
and
then
then
add it,
add it,
right?
right?
The
The
thing
thing
here
here
is
is
that
that
we
we
are
are
making
making
a
a
formal
formal
agreement
agreement
between
between the both
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 students
students
to
to
switch
switch
classes.
classes.
So
So
we
we
will
will
give
give
smart
smart
search
search
filters,
filters,
instant
instant
filters,
filters,
verified
verified
profiles, blah
profiles,
blah
blah blah
blah,
blah,
right?
right?
Real
Real
sub
sub
examples.
examples.
Let's
Let's
say
say
Sarah
Sarah
has
has
an
an
ESC
ESC
11
11
on
on
all
all
2
two
online
online
person,
person,
but
but
he
he
needs
needs
it
it
on
on
she
she
needs
needs
it
it
on
on
1102,
1102,
right,
right,
in
in
person,
person,
and
and
James
James
will do
will
the
do the
same
same
thing.
thing.
Maria
Maria
will
will
say
say
something
something
like
like
that.
that.
So
So
everybody
everybody
ends
ends
up
up uh,
benefiting
benefiting
from it,
from it,
right?
right?
So
So
going
going
further,
further,
right,
right?
on actually
Actually
showing the
showing the
app,
app,
right?
right?
Our
Our
team,
team,
this is
this
the
is the
whole
whole
idea
idea
of
of
the
the
app,
app,
which I
which I
think
think
it's a
it's a
really
really
good
good
idea.
idea.
However,
However,
um, we
we
weren't
weren't
able
able
to
to
implement
implement
it
it
completely
completely
as we
as we
wanted
wanted
because
because
our
our
front
front
end
end
did
did
not
not
work
work
completely
completely
with our
with our
backend,
backend,
right?
right?
Uh,
Uh,
as
as
that we
that
were
we were
using
using
our
our
Firebase
Firebase
data
data
to
to
import
import
all
all
of
of
the
the
catalogs
catalogs
and
and
keep
keep
the
the
reports
reports
of
of
each
each
agreement
agreement
done
done
between
between
each
each
student,
tutor,
right?
right?
So,
So,
for
for
example,
example,
let's
let's
say you
say you
created
created
your
your
account,
account,
right? You
right? You
logged
logged
in,
in,
you
you
pass the
pass the
verification
verification
status,
status,
and
and
here
here
you
you
will
will
pick
pick
what
what
class you
class you
want
want
to
to
swap,
swap,
right?
right?
Let's
Let's
say
say
like
like
math,
math,
12,
12,
13,
13,
something
something
like
like
that,
that,
right?
right?
And
And
this
this
is
is
the
the
class
class
that
that you
currently
currently
have
have
and
and
that
that
you
you
currently
currently
want.
want.
And
And
then
then
you
you
will
post
post
additional
additional notes
notes
on
on
it.
it.
And
And
then
then you
you will
will
create
create
your
your
swap
swap
post.
post.
So
So
then you
then
will
you will
go
go
back
back
and
and
on
on
your
your
feed
feed,
you
you
will
will
see
see
the
the
available
available
swap
swap
posts.
post.
So
So
this
this
is
is
pretty
pretty
much
much
what
what
our
our
app
app
intended to
intended to
do.
do.
However,
However,
we
we
did
did
run
run
through a
through a
lot of
lot of
roadblocks
roadblocks
during
during
the
the
application of
application of
this
this
processes
process
and
and
the
the
implementation of
implementation
a
of a
lot of
lot of
features.
features.
So
So
I mean,
it's
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 really
really
unfortunate that
unfortunate
we
that we
weren't
weren't
able
able
to
to do
do everything
everything
that
that
we
we
wanted
wanted
to
to
do,
do,
but
but
in
in
the
the
end,
end,
I
I
think
think
the
the
idea
idea
was
was
really
really
good,
good,
and
and
I
I
feel
feel
like
like
it's
it's
really
really
applicable
applicable
to
to
later
later
keep
keep
working in
working in
this
this
project
project
without
without
like
like
actually
actually
doing
doing
the
the
hackathon.
hackathon.
But
But
yeah,
yeah,
that was
that
our
was our
main
main
idea.
idea. Thank you so much. Our team is the Icebreakers.